matey. Hello, me Captain Dutch is here to show you how to make fudge. Chocolate fudge. Well, how can we start? See, the people of this house can't eat chocolate. Well, normal chocolate that everybody does. But Dutch here, yes, me, the great Captain Dutch, has figured out that they can eat dark chocolate. That's why we have our cocoa here. Cocoa. This is gonna be kind of hard, so if you are a minor or a little kid of 11 or 12, or a ye youngling, your cabin boy, you're going to have another sheepmate help you. How can we do this? I don't understand. Okay. It's a butter loaf pan. I don't have a loaf pan, but I do have a square pan. Yeah. I did something different. I put wax paper on the bottom so it doesn't stick. Hooray! I'm smart. Let's see. Cook sugar, milk, and corn syrup, salt, and chocolate in a 2-quart saucepan. Okay, let's get that 2-quart saucepan. Get out, we don't need you. We have some tea later, okay? Woo. Get the Dutch not feeling very well. So it said, oh, hold on. Guess this'll do. No, haha. I'm making a mess. It's okay. I'll pick up later. So in the saucepan, it asked for the milk. This is not healthy for the captain. Oh no! Oh! Okay. I'm just gonna pour that in the sugar, because the vanilla is weird. Okay. And sugar. Hooray! I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, everything but the butter. Why is it so hard for me to... I only went to college for marine biology. Hence why I'm a captain. This is gonna be hard. This one... Oh my god. It's not cute how I'm trying to not do this. Oh. I forgot to put my bags on my hands like suggested by Starrik, but I'm a rebel. Haha, I have to wash myself anyways. Trying to get out 2 tablespoons of this is like how my bat tries to get out anything else that is sugary sweet. Very tough and annoying. Whoops. Did I get anything? Yep. That's okay. It's water. It's water soluble. Hey, bish. Not all of it, no. Hey. Okay. Okay. I am. Okay. You see, it's all good. Now we're going to medium heat. Oh. Done medium. Oh. Scurvy dogs. Make sure you have a wooden, well, a tempered, heat-tempered spoon. You stir. Stir until everything is melty and good. I mean, hey, everything's good when I cook it. Oh boy. They wanted me to add the vanilla later. Oh! That wasn't even. It's taking so long. It's taking so long. Come on. Oh, sorry.
A few moments later.
Okay. So, I took it off the heat, and it has to cool for at least 10 minutes. Ooh, it's already getting thick. Stir it. Oh, I can't stir it. I don't think I should. And then, within 10 minutes, we'll put it into a bowl. Yar, I have the bowl, and then you're supposed to whisk for 10 minutes. Such an arduous process. But I'll see you in 10 minutes. Huh. Where could I find a scrape? Ah. Welcome back! It is cool enough now. See? It's been about 10 minutes. Oh Lord, help me. I don't know why I'm doing it. Why am I doing this? Because unlike most people, I can't. Okay. So, we're going to take this lukewarm mixture and put it in here. And then scrape. Scrape it. This will be very, 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 you know, sticky as shit. Putting it on cold meat because haha meat. Okay, so now we will beat this for 10 minutes.
One eternity later.
I'm back after, improving my biceps. I then emptied the contents into a pan. This pan should go, oh, excuse me, I was drinking rum, After the contents are in the pan, you should take it and put it into the refrigerator. Yar, we have many things. Many things. Let me get me rum out. Such a great drink. Anyways, thanks for joining us. And, well, joining me. I don't know who us is. And next time, come and witness me making fried fish and chips. Not actual American chips, but potato wedges. Beer battered fried fish. What a day. Alright, I guess I'll sign out the way Starrik signs out. But I'll put my little spin on it. Yar, mateys, if you like what you've seen, come on, subscribe. But, as always, keep smiling, even if you got to walk the plank. Be productive, because I'll be watching. And, above all else, be positive. Or stay positive. Ha 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 ha. See? Bone spin. Well, I'll see you later. I gotta ship off and ship safe. I'm gonna have to ship off soon. Bye, my scurvy sea dogs.